Hello everyone, my name is Logiswaran and I am from Virudhunagar. There are four members in my family. My father is a worker and my mother is a homemaker. My family is my biggest support my system and they always motivate me to achieve my goals. I complete my school education to government higher secondary school in Pandalgudi. During my school days, I developed a strong interest in science and mathematics. This subject inspired me to choose engineering as my career path. Currently, I am pursuing my second year of mechanical engineering at SNS College of Engineering. I chose mechanical engineering because I am very interested in mechanics, designing and how things work in real life. I enjoy learning subjects like engineering, drawing, thermodynamics and manufacturing technology. Apart from academics, I am a hardworking and self-motivated person. I am always try to improve my knowledge and skills. I believe that learning is a continuous process and I am always ready to learn new things. I can manage my time effectively and complete my task on time. I am also more comfortable working both individual and as part of a team. My short-term goal is to improve my technical knowledge and perform well in my studies. My long-term goal is to become a skilled mechanical engineer, get a good job in a reputed company and support my family. In my free time, I like listening to music and exploring new technologies. I always try to stay positive and focused on my goals. Thank you.